Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to the English class. I wish you to have a fabulous week ahead. Shall we all go into the class, children? What was the unit that we were learning, children? The unit was about friendship, is it not? And the lesson which we were learning was playtime. Are you all ready for the class? Let's have a recap. Can you see the slide, children? Yes, it's little bit in a smaller font, but this slide is nothing but the Google form which you completed on the lesson Playtime. Now we shall have a short revision. So what is the meaning of attic, children? A space or room inside the roof of a building. What are galoshes? Waterproof shoes mostly worn over usual shoes. Did you see that shoes worn by Lata in the story? Yes, right. Those shoes are called galoshes. What is the next question? Dough. What is the meaning of dough? A thick mixture of flour and water used to bake biscuits, cake and bread. You can even ask your mother. For making chapatis, she has to knead the dough. Next question. Lata was wearing galoshes. Yes, that's the right answer. Here comes the next question. When Lata went to the attic, she saw what, children? She saw that Mohan, Noori and Afzal were fast asleep, which means they were sleeping up in the attic. So children, these were the questions asked in your Google form. Do you remember? Yes. Now here is a request for the children who got below 5 to once again go to their Google form and check for the answers. Kindly play this video once again and check for your answers. See where have you gone wrong, and take your notebook and record these questions in your notebook for our further reference. Will you do it, my dear children? Very good. Now, let's move to the next recap session. Do you remember the story, children? Okay. Here are a few questions. Let us recall the answers. The children did not go out to play because it was raining. Now here comes the next question. While they were playing, Afzal's mother was? The answer is baking her special cookies. Now children, it's time to recall the new words which we learned in this lesson. Attic, a space or room inside the roof of a building. Noisy feet, their feet were making a lot of noise. Dough, a thick mixture of flour and water used to bake biscuits, cake and bread. Sweeten. To make something sweet. Galoshes. Waterproof shoes mostly worn over usual shoes. Now, can you see the slide displayed on your screen, children? Yes, this is something new which we are going to learn in today's class. This is called as a concept map. Now, what is the purpose of this concept map? Do you remember the home fun activity which I gave you, my dear children? To write about your best friend? When such topics are given to us as writing assignments, this concept map can make it easier for us. How? Now, take a close look at this slide. Assume that I have asked you to write a paragraph about trees. Now, you all will have a few doubts. How should I start? What should I write first? What am I going to write about trees? To whom should I ask about trees? Or how should I write it in a simple paragraph? Yes or no? You have such doubts, right? Okay. Now, to clear all those doubts, to get organized in our thoughts, this concept map can help us. You must write a paragraph about trees. So first and foremost, you must take a paper, your pencil, and write down the topic on which you must write the paragraph. Now, jot down the important points about the topic. What does the tree give us? Think of the points and make small chart like this. It gives oxygen. It gives wood. To whom this oxygen is important? To humans, to plants, to animals. Now coming to wood. How this wood is used? It is used to build house. It is used to make paper. It is used to make furniture. Now, these points can help us to create a paragraph. Let us see how. Could you see this, children? The concept map which we created now will help us to write a short paragraph. We have now got a lot of points to write. See, with the help of the concept map which we have created, we can write a small paragraph in an easier way. Trees give us oxygen and wood. Oxygen is important to humans, plants, and animals. Wood is used to build houses. It is used to make paper and furniture. Did you see, children? Now it has become easier for us. So, before starting to write as paragraph, try to create a concept map for it. Organize your thoughts, then start to write your paragraph. Shall we do a homework to practice this writing technique, children? Create a concept map on the topic on a rainy day. and write a small paragraph for about 4 to 5 lines. All the best, dear children. Hope in today's class you enjoyed learning the new technique of writing a paragraph. Okay, dear children, have a nice day. Bye bye. Meet you in the next class.